They were testing this. It's a weird, but it's a kitty FX. It's a Fire X, kitty Fire X for some reason. It's not an average as I would not break it. But this came out of the garage because we replaced some because this was not working. I got it to work. So, yeah. Are you gonna go on? I'll be right back once I get back on the money. We're back. That's how we'll be with this blow dryer. The reason why I have these batteries. Let's not. These are hot. I'll be right back. I'm getting not as dangerous. But it's right. I need to safer option. So I'm gonna put this on the side and then we have so here we go. I don't think this will permanently activate. If it doesn't, I do have another one. So it's pretty cool. I think the reason is you just press it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Hey, Daddy! But whatever. Okay, well, that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. I thought this would permanently activate. Apparently it doesn't. But yeah, this is weird kitty effects, like, because these were in our garage, and it didn't work for some reason on our garage, but it worked on it, so yeah. Bye, and I'll see you next time.